According to Nigerian media reports, the Nigerian Army is looking to acquire one squadron of the light combat helicopters from India for its newly formed Army Aviation Corps. The order can be anywhere between 12 to 14 units that will be tasked specifically for providing aerial support to Nigerian ground forces. Hindustan Aeronautics has confirmed that it is producing 6 light combat helicopters in 2021, out of which 4 units will be delivered to the Indian Army and 2 units to the Indian Air Force, and the helicopter complex is fully geared up for any export orders. The Indian Air Force is looking to order an additional batch of 6 C-130J tactical transport aircraft from Lockheed Martin. Out of the 12 C-130J Super Hercules aircraft, the Indian Air Force had lost one aircraft in 2014, for which a replacement was ordered in 2016, that was delivered in 2019, taking its fleet strength to 12 aircraft. The Indian Air Force wants to maintain a fleet of 18 C-130 aircraft that can be used for tactical operations and transportation, and the Air Force will soon approach the Ministry of Defense for clearing the third batch of 6 units. The RudraM II missile has successfully completed its captive flight and release flight trials from a Su-30 fighter jet, and is all set to start its development firing trials very soon. The Mach 4 capable RudraM II has a range of 350 kilometers, and it carries a 200 kilograms warhead towards the ground-based target. The RudraM II missile has been seen in weapons package of the Tejas Mark II, and there are reports that a new derivative known as the Rudram-2A is also under development for the Indian Navy, that will be equipped on the TEDBF fighter jet, and come with additional sea skimming features and enhanced sensors to locate moving sea-based targets. The DRDO is also working on the development of RudraM III, that will be twice the weight of the RudraM II, and will have a range of more than 600 kilometers. After the announcement from the Union Cabinet regarding clearance of the Akash missile system for export to friendly foreign countries, Bharat Dynamics started exploring the export options of the indigenous surface-to-air missile defense system. As per latest reports, Bharat Dynamics has received export leads from several countries that have expressed interest in purchasing the Akash missile, and officials have said that the expertise and well-established infrastructure is fully ready to execute these orders and meet the customer delivery schedule. The DRDO has carried out an urgent demonstration of the D4 anti-drone system to the Indian Armed Forces, that has a detection capability of 4 kilometers and features a soft kill option by radio frequency jamming which disables the communication. It will cost 22 crore rupees per unit, only if the purchase order is for more than 100 units. The DRDO will transfer the technology to a private sector company to scale up the production, that includes Tata Group Larsen & Toubro and Adani Group. The Indian Space Research Organisation will launch its GSAT-1 Earth observation satellite on the 12th of August. The GSAT-1 will initially be placed in the geosynchronous transfer orbit, and will finally be positioned in the geostationary orbit using its on-board propulsion system about 36,000 kilometers above Earth's equator. Its on-board high-resolution cameras will provide the real-time images of Indian borders, and will also enable monitoring of oceans.